Get ready to learn a game-changing method that could make you over $7,000 each week with no actual effort on your part thanks to AI doing all the heavy lifting. Welcome back to Cash Collect. I'll be covering all the bases in this video so you can follow along with the instruction without missing a beat. I don't want you to miss any potential money-making information, so please pay close attention until the very end. Allow me to go right in. You, the affiliate, and the business that you promote get into a mutually beneficial business relationship through affiliate marketing. When you sign up to promote a company's goods or services as an affiliate, you'll receive what is known as an affiliate link. Your personal link will keep tabs on any purchases made through it. You will now receive compensation if somebody makes a purchase after clicking on your affiliate link. It's similar to being offered a bonus in exchange for bringing in new business. The more people that click on your link and make a purchase, the more money you will make. Affiliate marketing is fantastic since it eliminates the need to develop your own product and manage customer support. Become an affiliate marketer and start promoting items and services that fit your niche or target audience. There are countless methods to spread the word about these offerings. It might be through Facebook, Twitter, a blog, YouTube videos, or just plain old word of mouth. The secret to successful marketing is promoting things in which you have a real interest and belief. Affiliate marketing is great since it allows you to work at your own pace and from anywhere in the world. You get to market whatever goods or services you like at your speed and with the possibility of passive revenue as your following expands. In this scenario, both you and the business benefit from your efforts to spread awareness about the company's offerings. So, now that you have a firm grasp of the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, we can begin today's session. Step 1. Come toward Instapage. We're pushing Instapage, a website builder, because it makes it easy to make effective landing pages. Instapage provides a centralized platform where you can test variations, make adjustments, monitor performance, and fuel the expansion of your campaigns. The unparalleled quality of the Instapage user experience is what truly separates it from the competition. It's programmed to save you time and effort while simultaneously generating engaging headlines, body copy, and calls to action that is specific to the demographics of your target audience. Instapage's inbuilt collaborative tools are, in my opinion, its strongest suit. As a result, you and your team or clients can build and manage landing pages with minimal friction. The workflow is streamlined and everyone is on the same page. There are reusable components available on Instapage, and they're named Instablocks and Global Blocks. These allow you to easily brand and design several pages with the same look and feel, making it simple to expand your campaigns. You can use these building blocks again and modify them to fit your needs without having to start from scratch each time. Instapage saves you a lot of time and effort when it comes to page layout. They have approximately 500 layouts that have been conversion tested and optimized. This means you have access to a plethora of tried and true pre-made layouts that are certain to get results. With Instapage, you can rest assured that your visitors will enjoy a quick and seamless experience as your landing pages load in a flash. Whether you use accelerated mobile pages, you can rest assured that visitors to your landing pages will not have to wait long for content to load. Step 2. Register for the Instapage affiliate program. Now that you've learned everything there is to know about Instapage, you can begin your affiliate marketing efforts. Get started with Instapage's affiliate program by going to Chrome and looking for it there. After the search results load, go to their website. Click the Sign Up Now button that you see. To learn more about their affiliate program and how to sign up, click on the link provided. They simplify the process into 3 basic actions. Get your referral link by signing up for the program first. The first thing you need to do to become an Instapage affiliate is to sign up for the program and obtain your referral link. To unlock the door to commissions, click this link. You may increase your earnings by spreading the word about Instapage. Now is the time to get the word out, so let's grab that referral link. Second, promote your link everywhere you can. Once you have your referral link, you can begin spreading the word. Distribute it widely on various social media sites, blogs, and online forums where your audience congregates. Create superb articles that extol Instapage's virtues and demonstrate the company's transformative potential. Keep in mind that the more clicks your link receives, the more money you will make. Third, earn rewards for referring new users to Instapage. The enticing topic of benefits is next. Different commission systems are available to reward your efforts at Instapage. On the first year of a customer's annual membership, you can earn a stunning 40% commission. You may rest assured that you will continue to earn 15% of a customer's annual subscription after the first year has passed. And for the first 12 months of a customer's monthly subscriptions, you'll receive a 30% commission. When you have greater leeway, you can take advantage of more ways to increase your income. The Join Now option may be found on the Instapage homepage. Clicking on this link will lead you to an online application. After filling out the form, double-check your responses to be sure they're correct. And when you're ready, send your application to Instapage by clicking the Submit Application button. Step 3. Encourage Instapage through Reddit. Now, I'll show you what I consider to be the most effective method of promoting Instapage: posting links to it on Reddit. It's a huge network of people with similar interests that get together online to discuss topics of common interest and learn from one another. Reddit's big user base makes it a great place to spread the word about your affiliate link to lots of people. Okay, let's use Reddit's search function to locate some relevant discussions and inquiries about landing page builders. Enter a question such as, which landing page builder is the best? And you'll get a list of options to choose from. You may promote your affiliate link and show off your expertise at the same time. It's normal to be daunted by the prospect of sifting through thousands of landing page builder-related posts and questions on Reddit. There is an answer that can simplify your life significantly. Using a chatbot like ChatGPT is one solution. The fact that chatbots can employ AI to decipher user queries and respond appropriately is really interesting. This implies that if you have any questions about landing page builders, you can type them into ChatGPT and get instant, relevant answers. Promoting your affiliate link on Reddit might take a lot of time and energy, but with ChatGPT by your side, you can save a ton of both. ChatGPT allows you to write in a question and have it answered automatically, saving you time that would otherwise be spent reading through posts and writing replies. If you're not sure how to get started promoting your affiliate link on Reddit, this can be a great place to start. Being authentic and helpful is essential when responding to queries on Reddit. Don't go about spamming everyone with your link. Instead, you should concentrate on providing solutions that are both helpful and meaningful, and that directly address the subject being addressed. And it's much better if you can throw in some extra data that the customer can use to make a well-informed choice. You should also keep in mind that your responses on Reddit could potentially reach a huge audience while promoting your affiliate link. This means that you should put a premium on giving genuine value and assistance, regardless of whether or not the original questioner decides to follow your link. Since you can never tell who will read your response, it's always worth sharing your thoughts. So, rather than focusing on short-term gains, invest in the sustainable development of your affiliate marketing enterprise. Provide helpful insight, suggestions, and information in your replies, and don't feel limited to posting on Reddit alone. Spread your affiliate link far and wide by using every available medium. More money is likely to come your way if you follow these steps. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $700 per hour as a beginner. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.